Hi, here's a recap of the latest things that have been happening on the PayPak Professional 4.0 project. There have been a number of changes and updates over the weekend, so let's give it a roll and let you see what we've been up to. Double click on the icon. There's a logo, and here's your login screen. If you're familiar with it from before, you'll notice there's a change along the bottom here in the colors. And this is something that we've gone through a lot of the screens and redone. This fade from blue to white to green along the bottom is a feature that's you'll see in all of the windows coming up. It replaces a lot of the previous horizontal elements like horizontal lines and panels that used to be here before. It gives it a smoother, cleaner, and neater look. You'll see the effect of that when we get to the button bars on some of the other screens. Okay, so here we go. Let's log in. Oh, before we do, let's press F1 to bring up the help. There you go. This page should be redirecting. It's a bit slow. Normally it took just a few seconds. Let me just explain, just let me widen this a bit and give you an idea of what you're looking at here. This screen is the two videos. Hey, there they are, they're loading now. These are the two, it's the same video. It's two windows of one YouTube video. It's embedded. We're using the redirection technique so that the video the user sees in the help will always be the very latest YouTube video, even if we change the videos. And there they are. This time they loaded fairly slowly, but that's a bit unusual. Maybe just a glitch on the internet. They usually come up fast, just like that. They're both the same video, like I said before. The one at the top uses the HT access. Yeah, that's the one that's redirected using HT access. And the one at the bottom is redirected through the command at the top of the redirection page. We'll be going with the first method in future. They're practically the same. Let me just run one of them here. That should start the YouTube video, and the other one, you'll see them. Hear them going one after the other. Again, I must apologize for the slow internet speed we've been getting right now. I'm not quite sure what's the reason for that. Hey, you can hear me there? Yeah, there you go. So just let me pause one of these. Right, so as you can see, this is a help file being run from the application. We were at the login screen and we pressed F1. It brought up the help, and it brought up the help for the login screen, which you'll see login up there, and it plays the video directly from YouTube, embedded video. What this section will have underneath it, we don't need two elephants, we'll just have one. So sorry guys, sorry, one of you's got to go. So we'll have the embedded video here. Then we will have your traditional standard type of help with text and graphics and explains the whole lot. Those screens still need to be worked on, but right now the focus is on standardizing everything. We'll go back and work through these as time allows. Right now we're pioneering and pushing ahead, getting new techniques to work. Okay, so that's the help screen. Close the help window. I'm going to sign in, SA, and the password. Click on login. Oh, we also got some new colors there. And here's your menu. And for those who haven't looked at it recently, drop down menu. Nice enhanced shades there. And I'm going to open some of the windows so that you can see what we've been working on as far as those enhancements to the button bars go. Let's go to admin and database updates. Drag you over here a bit. There you go. Voila, there you go. Look at that. A nice, smooth, clean look. This is what I was mentioning before about the fade aspect here. Although it looks like you've got 5 buttons against a faded background, these are actually 2 separate elements you're looking at here. There's the button bar, which is approximately from here to there, from the middle of the white region to this blue area here. Then there's the registration display bar, where the customer's the license name of the customer appears along the bottom here, and that's a separate display. It's a lot cleaner and neater. We've got rid of a lot of those jarring, thicker horizontal lines, and just nice, cool feel to it. Smooth. If you just drag the window, you'll see the effects. Looking good there. And let's open another window. Let's go to records and accounts, and again here you'll see the same effect of that smooth fade from blue to white to green. This one is resizable, so let me just bring this around a bit so that we have enough space to show. And we've got this nice little panel here for the buttons. This is the button array. It has a light purple, lilac shadow behind the fields as you hover the mouse over them, and a field that's highlighted will turn to this you see there. Okay, right, so that's a nice visual look, much cleaner than what we had before. And I've gone through all these screens and updated them to activate that, put that in place. Okay, next screen. This is the one that we're currently to be working on, and that falls under the maintenance and import PayPak Professional 3.0. We just scratched the surface with that so far. Now this is just the beginnings of it. There's still more to come, and as you'll see here, we've got the same look and feel as the other screens, standardized with the fade and the button bar, the new improved look for the button bar. Oops, someone's calling. I'm going to decline that one. Just hold 1 sec, please. We've got a call coming through. Okay, back from my call. Now, as I was saying, we've just scratched the surface with the screen. It's got the same look and feel as the others that you see here. And what this does is, you've got the name of the database here. This is the 3.0 database file. This is a folder which is activated from here. There's a date and time, date modified and time modified if it finds the file. So just let me browse to that folder, and you choose the folder, which is going to be here. Tell it OK now. Watch this when I click on the OK. See, and there you go. It shows you the date modified and the time modified, so that the user can verify that that's the an updated file they've selected and not an old one. Now, there's still a lot more to be decided on how the screen will work. This is just like I said, the start of it, start of the process for this screen. What's going to happen here is we will select the database, connect to it, read the tables, and in some sort of order, we're going to pull the records over into the PayPak Professional 4.0 database. And that's where we are right now. All the screens have help. If I press the F1 key, right, that should load the help. It's still at the help topics section though, because we've not linked the topics to all of the screens yet. But that's one of the other things that was done as well, apart from giving all of the screens this nice new look. We've gone through and activated the help on for each screen. Just activated it so it's linked in for each particular screen. Alright, well, that's it for now. Thanks for joining us this afternoon. We'll just close off here, and we'll see you for the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.